Welcome back to Corporate Queens. We are here with Allison the Rock Girl and Tracy Wright from Weddings Done Right. Tracy, Allison is going to read some stones for you.
Great, thank you. Very good. Are you ready to rock and roll there?
I am.
Okay. Shall we begin?
Yes.
Alrighty. Well, what I'd like you to do is make your selection of the stones. I'd like you to choose one from here, one from this row, and then 3 from any of these. Okay? You can do it by feel, by look, just by the gut feeling. If you choose a stone and it doesn't feel right, you know, like, oh, it's pretty, but it feels cold and yucky, put it down. And then what I'd like you to do is just line them up right here, and we're going to do a rock reading for you.
That sounds great.
Yes. Okay. Fabulous command of the stones. Love it, love it, love it. There we go.
Okay.
Alrighty. Now, what I like to do is ask. Sorry, there, my dear.
That's okay.
We're getting cozy. What I'd like to do is ask. I already see where we're going here.
Okay.
I usually ask the client to choose a specific question. However, the stones are speaking already. Okay.
All right.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to explain the order of the stones. Okay, what they mean, and as I connect to them and I connect to you through Reiki energy, the stones are, I'm actually going to channel what the stones have to say. Stones are directly connected to spirit, okay? You might feel tingly, you might feel hot, you might feel flush, okay? This is a heart chakra stone. Over here, it's starting to warm up. Yes, exactly.
Yeah.
And after that, as we're going through, I'm going to ask you to hold the stone. And what happens is it's going to start to attune to your body, so and your mind and your spirit. What I'd like to explain to the viewers is that, and also to you.
Sure.
I know that you have had rock readings and you know how it works. The crystalline structure of a stone is actually the same as a human being's. However, we are 89 to 90% water, depending on the day and who we are. So we're filled with water, okay? However, the ions, molecules, and atoms that are within the stones connect to our ions, molecules, and atoms, and it's called an electromagnetic frequency. And magnets are a type of stone called magnetite. And we all know how they work. Magnets, when they are connected, boom, strong alignment. However, turn those magnets the wrong way and it polarizes, and nothing short of taping them together will get them to connect.
Okay.
We experience this in human beings, okay? You walk into a crowded room and you're like, boom, I'm totally into that person. Do not know them, do not know why, but there is that magnetism. Obviously we have it or we wouldn't be sitting so close together.
Yes.
Okay, so you can also relate, I'm sure everyone out there can relate, you'll get in an elevator or on an escalator with someone and you'll be like,
Yes.
okay, when are we getting to the next floor? Oh my goodness, I think I'll get off at this floor. And you just can't tolerate that energy. You don't know why or how it happens, but you just can't, you cannot literally align with them. And that's called polarization. Now, there's something called the auric field. We all, a lot of the people in the metaphysics are aware of it. If not, you can Google it, auric field. It works with the chakra system, and it's the electromagnetic sheath around your bodies. Now, those electromagnetic sheaths can connect to another person or it can polarize, okay? So the people, have that electromagnetic connection as well as the stones. My job, I'm not only a psychic, however, I am also a Reiki master, a crystal Reiki master, and an Atlantean Reiki master, and I work with the energies of the stones to balance the chakra systems and the auric field. And the beauty of this entire journey is that it helps bring forth psychic messages to not only align you on a physical, spiritual, and mental plane, but also in the big picture with your life and align your purpose in life and help you make big decisions like Tracy's going to have
Yes.
come upon. So with that said, that is how the stones work, okay? If your chakra system is aligned, if your auric field is aligned, you are aligned and you are, you have the tools to make the best decisions for you. And with the help of the rock girl who interprets the stones, okay, you're going to have all of the facts ahead of you so you can make the best choice for you. Okay, a professional psychic gives you options. They see the options of everything that lies ahead. It is our responsibility to deliver those messages to you so you can make the best decision. Not tell you, psychics do not tell people what to do.
Right.
They give them the facts and the information, much like a roadmap. Tracy, you want to go forward, you want to go left, you want to go right. This is what happens. You put the car in gear and decide where you want to go. Over the mountains, through the woods, down the highway. So, with that said, we have these fabulous stones that you have chosen. I'm going to take a moment to explain to you how I read them, and then off we go. The first stone tells me where you're at on a spiritual plane, okay? What's kind of going on out here, okay? This is actually a rose quartz, everyone. That's a rose quartz. It's a fabulous pink stone. It's all about love. Now, it's also about the heart chakra, which we're going to talk about today. Now, over here, we have a honey calcite, okay? It has to do with the will center, and that's on the physical plane, in the physical incarnate. What is Tracy going to do today, okay? That's what this is all about, is the present moment, here and now. Now, this is the center stone. This is the fabulous malachite egg. It's actually the famous malachite egg. When I do my radio shows, everybody wants the malachite egg. Now, if you'll feel that, it's nice and heavy. It's a tiny, tiny stone. However, it's also in the shape of an egg, which we're going to get into in a moment, but it's a heavy stone. It's a good stone. Yay! Now, it's in the center of the reading.
Yes.
Okay, you pulled 5 stones. This tells me what's going on in the here and the now. Not tomorrow, not last week, but the here and the now. It's also the overall tone of the reading, like an umbrella. Okay. Good stones. Fabulous stones. Great. Okay, now, this one is carnelian. It's the 4th stone in the lineup. It tells me what the next step is. Usually, it's 3 to 4 weeks or 3 to 4 months on this timeline. I see it starting in the stones are already telling me that you have some decisions to make. So a lot of them are going to really start to unfold in the next 3 to 4 weeks to 3 to 4 months is that period that we want to look at. Now, the 4th stone is the kind of outcome of the reading. I like to keep the readings, especially these mini ones, within a year's time frame because the choices you make today affect your tomorrows, okay? So this is a lovely stone. It is a golden, smoky, rutilated quartz. It's got little needles in it and rainbows, and it's really a wonderful stone. So now that you understand the stones, let's connect and channel the messages they have to say. So we're going to put this guy back here, and I'm going to connect to you through Reiki energy. So I like to kind of tap in through the knee. It's a safe spot. I'm connected to you, and then I'm connected to the stones over here. Okay. And basically what I am is a channel, and I just channel what the stones have to say. So it comes through me, much like a hose. I'm the hose, and the messages run through me. Okay. So they're not coming through me. Another way that I work, and I want to take a moment to explain, is that the information comes through the back of my head like a knowing. Then it goes over my ear, so I hear it. The left ear is my psychic ear, everybody's different, and then it comes right out of my mouth. So it's a direct channel from spirit, your guides, not mine, and I speak very quickly, okay, because I have to repeat what they're saying. Now, if for any reason that you have a question, you just jump in and ask, because I'm in the middle of communicating with that particular guide. I also see things through my left eye a lot of times, and they show me pictures. So you'll see me looking around, I'm not kooky. Well, I am kooky, but I'm not crazy, okay? There might be some people who beg to differ out there. But I'm listening to the message and I'm watching. A lot of times the guides show me kind of like charades. They present things. And so I'm listening to all of this stuff and I'm communicating to you, okay? Yeah. You may start to feel hot and tingly. Don't be scared, just go with it. A lot of the times you're also going to get an attunement from the stones. Like I said, that frequency of the stone is going to connect to you, and they're going to start to realign. So, if you feel something, speak up and share it with everyone, and so everyone understands, what the process is. And you are a brave girl, Tracy, for doing this. So I thank you very, very much.
She was our lucky audience winner today.
Yay! Yes, indeed. Everything happens for a reason. There's some messages that you needed in order to, make these big decisions. So it's a perfect day and a perfect connection. The first stone here, okay, is a rose quartz. Okay, what I'd like you to do is hold it in one of your hands. Okay, now interesting, she chose her left hand.
Yeah.
That is an incoming. So you actually put that in your left hand, and you're ready and willing to accept the messages. A lot of people put it in their right hand, and that's outgoing. But you want to hear what the stones have to say, and so it's interesting how you touch the stones as well.
Doesn't matter if I'm left-handed or right-handed?
Not really. Not really. A lot. Some people say that yes, but in this particular venue, it does not. However, I'm not stepping on anybody's toes to say otherwise. But this is how it works with me and stones and you.
It's hot.
Yes, it is. How exciting is that? Which means, folks, that it's already activating. Okay. Remember, it connected like a magnet.
Almost like I have to take it out of my hand.
Okay. Yes. Okay. You are, what a fabulous choice for a participant today, because now you see it's traveling up your arm. You feel that?
Yeah, I do. Yeah. Sort of like I have to almost. Wow.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Well, what this is doing is it's activating the electromagnetic field within you, and it's aligning. Okay. So in here you also feel the heat there.
I do. As soon as you
Exactly.
put your hand in. Whoa.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Indeed. Well, what I want you to do is I also want you to pick up that stone, okay?
Put it in
Which,
the same.
whatever you want to do now, because you've already activated. If you want to switch it, you do that. If you want to, whatever feels better for you, because this is an alignment.
I don't know. I would have